Hey guys, it's me Ram the Cuber and welcome to my birthday unboxing from Cube Lelo. So just letting you guys know, this is not the only birthday cube of mine. I'm also getting another one soon, but let's just get right into this. Speaking of which, I have nothing, no knife or anything left. So literally we are gonna open this package with a nail cutter. I have a feeling this is gonna be a long procedure, so I'm just gonna speed this video up. So in this package we've got a receipt, we've got a blue stand this time, and we've got the cube. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so how the hell does this box open? Oopsie, yeah, there we go. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh, nice. That was not that bad. So here, what is this? GS nuts. This looks like that box. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, okay, these are just spare parts. Let's put that in. Shut this. Put that off to the side. Put the box off. And this is that. So here we are, the Sculpted X-Man Galaxy V2M. This looks like a really good puzzle. Here there must be ways to solve a Megamix. I'll take a look at that later. Anyways, this is nice and small, nice compact. I like the size. Let's move on to first turns. Wow. Nice, it's magnetic. I like the feel. I've heard people complain that the magnets are just too strong, but this is nice. I don't mind this. Overall, this is a really nice puzzle. I really like it. In fact, I suck at Megamix. I can't even solve one without the algs. I don't really remember the last layer algs or whatever it was, but still this is really nice. I might get back into Megamix soon. So, and I'll give you guys an update on this puzzle too. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.